Good morning, all of you. I hope audio and video both are working fine. Please confirm so that we can start the session. It's clearly audible and visible. Anyone, please confirm so that we can start. Today is 31st October and we'll discuss national, international news. Good morning, Sasmita. Good morning, Bindu, Akshay, Pranam. Rajendra, good morning. Thank you for the confirmation. So let's start today's session. So first of all, Justice Suryakant to take over the 53rd Chief Justice of India, next to Gabai. Stubble burning cases, fertilizer shortage, and there is a crisis. Central Air Quality Management bans entry of old commercial vehicles. India gets a 6-month waiver for Iran port. Odisha stalls wins Vogue of Heritage and Hope Award, okay, in the summit of India Maritime Week. So Justice Suryakant to take over as the 53rd Chief Justice of India after Justice Gabai, and November 24th onwards, India is getting a new Chief Justice of India. The Department of Justice issued a notification appointing Justice Suryakant as the 53rd Chief Justice of India. Bale question as a 53rd Chief Justice of India. Okay. He will assume charge on 24th November and Gawai will retire on 23rd, and Justice Suryakant will take charge from 24th November, succeeding Justice Bhushan R. Gawai, and will serve till February 9th, 2027, a tenure about 16 months. The notification was made under the Article 124, Subclause 2 or and Clause 2 of the Constitution, which empowers the President to appoint Supreme Court judges, including the Chief Justice of India. Okay, so under Article 124, the appointment of judges and key appoint करे obviously the President. Oath जेतोले आपण भी देखिबे सेतोले President भी oath तांकु करेबे. Constitutional and administrative context, Article 124 a prelims रे भी question आसेथिला. President appoints Chief Justice of India and Supreme Court judges after consultation with the judges as deemed necessary. So basically 124 does not say about the collegium system. तो collegium system होची judicial innovation आपण जानिथिबे जे actually कोन करे recommend करे the names of judges and chief justice आपण जानिथिबे. तो गवाई and 4 senior most judges जो माने थिबे से माने recommend करिवे ना, and second senior most judge होचंती Justice Suryakant. The senior most Supreme Court judge is appointed as the next to CJI as per the collegium system and long-standing convention. Justice Suryakant's tenure will last until his retirement on February 9th, 2027. Next, देखिबा stubble burning cases. Punjab farmers warn of protest, seek withdrawal of stubble burning cases because due to this non-stoppable of stubble burning, there has been filed, criminal cases have been filed against this farmers. Sethipai semane warning deychandi withdrawal of those cases. Stubble burning protest in Punjab. Farmers across Punjab are protesting the registration of police cases against them for paddy stubble burning. So because this is the season, they are clearing their land. जोटा कि आगुरु से मैंने already paddy cultivation करे थिले. This is the harvesting season, right? And after cutting down those paddy cultivation, वर्तमान से कौन करछुनी? They are preparing for the next round of cropping season. And the next round of cropping season कौन? Obviously आपनकर wheat. कारण हम जानी चाहिए winter जेहेतु आसुची wheat production होबो. So what they are actually doing ना जो paddy cultivation से माने करे थिले, they simply जो आपनकर residuals गुडी को थिला ताकु से माने burn करछन because it is easier to dispose of. Okay, easier method to dispose of. आउ जहाँ भी से माने use करेबे that is very costly affair. So this is what they are preparing. They are preparing the land with respect to what? By the stubble burning. They call the action unfair targeting, claiming the burning is due to compulsion not choice. So we do not have any choice. Okay, ame compulsorily karuche because any substitute method, any alternative method is very costlier for us. Okay, and जो सरकार कहउछन कि we have given provided this much, हमें टेक्नोलॉजी सपोर्ट करूछु, we are giving other alternatives, तो obviously फार्मर के पाखरे ठीक से पहुंची पारु नाही, right? So farmers response, over 30 farmer and farm labor union under the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha have announced protest. District level demonstrations are planned for the November 4th and a symbolic protest in Chandigarh on the November 19th. So they have given the warning. Volume slow as just wait. Just wait and let me know. Now check, is it fine or I will still increase the volume? Is it okay for everyone? Is it okay now? Okay, so let's continue. Fine. So farmers respond is they are planning to have a protest 4th November and November 19. Okay. Reasons for distress: shortage of machinery. Machinery, जो machinery आपनकर for the stubble management, जो waste manage करिबा पई जो machinery provide करा जाउची, that is a shortage, जो बन की जो farmers माने होचंदी they cannot avail it. Machinery for stubble removal, collected bales lying idle, जो समाने कलेक्ट करथिले से गुडी को आइडल ही की पड़ीची ताकू डिस्पोज करिबा पे केना नि पुनी थरे समान को लेबर यूज करके ताकू डिस्पोज करिबा को पड़िबो. Farmers under pressure to clear fields quickly for the next sowing season. This is what actually happening. Karno they have to prepare for the next round of cultivation, जोटा कि हमें wheat बोली कहूचे. कारण already आपण देखिबे North India रो winter already sets in, तो सेमान को wheat cultivation करिवार अछि. But जो माने by using the machine सेमाने collect करिथिले से जो bundles गुडी को एबे भी सेमती पड़िछि ताको केही dispose करू नांदी. But what government has suggested कि bundles गुडी को collect करा जिबा and that will be procured from the farmers and that will be used for this ethanol kind of thing. But से बड़ी कोनोसी जिंस देखिबा को मिलु नाही. Legal context देखिबे 376 cases have been registered under the section 223 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita till October 29 for the disobedience to public order related to agricultural waste burning. तो जेहेतु एग्रीकल्चरल वेस्ट बर्निंग अगेंस्ट रे केसेस फाइल करा जाइछि कि समाने पब्लिक ऑर्डर को मानु नाहंती, वायोलेटिंग द पब्लिक ऑर्डर. फार्म लीडर स्टैंड द जगमोहन सिंह BKU एकता दाकोंडा, burning is driven by necessity and government should focus on the support not on the punishment. This is what they are arguing. Broader context, stubble burning contributes to severe air pollution in the North India. Basically after जो Diwali festival है आपण देखिते air quality has suddenly increased to 350, 400, 450 and just the next day after Diwali that has crossed 2000 in some places of national capital region. This issue reflects a policy gap between the environmental regulation and economic realities for the small farmers. Okay, environmental regulation and economic realities for the small farmers. Next देखिबा fertilizer shortage, farmers bid to end life triggered uproar. ये fertilizer shortage आपण देखिबे गोटे क्वेश्चन आसी पारे कारण जीएस पेपर 3 रे जो आपनकर एग्रीकल्चर चैप्टर अछि ताकू नै के क्वेश्चन आसी पारे कि व्हाट इज द इम्प्लिकेशन ऑफ दिस fertilizer shortage. ओडिसा रे भी आई थिंक few days ago the opposition leader Mr. Naveen Patnaik से भी voice raise करिथिले and this is across the state. So now it's a national issue. You could get a question on this. So let's see what is this fertilizer shortage. Incident trigger, a viral video from the Odapur cooperative society in Sajanpur district UP showed a farmer attempting suicide over an alleged fertilizer shortage. Okay, the farmer claimed fertilizers were being unfairly distributed, favoring some and excluding marginal farmers. Since many such, I think you know this, small and marginal farmers करो जो category हमें divide करूँ that is less than 2 hectare, right? Number one. Number